Hello, today we will guide you through how to trade on Sierra Chart. In this walkthrough, we'll move from launching the platform to placing a basic order, keeping everything clear and practical so you can follow along with confidence. Start by opening the Sierra Chart desktop application. Give it a moment to load your workspace. If you use multiple chart books, the last one you had open may appear automatically. Before moving forward, it's a good habit to glance at the connection status to your data and trade service. A solid connection ensures that quotes, order routing, and fills update correctly as you work. Next, look to the top of the platform and click Trade. This menu is your hub for order entry and account controls. Here you can show or hide trading interfaces, switch between live and simulated trading if your setup allows it, and view order and position status. Keeping this menu in mind makes it easier to access the tools you'll need as you place and manage trades. From there, open a window for a chart. A dedicated chart window gives you price context and places order controls right on the chart, which many traders find faster and more intuitive. Once the chart is open, confirm it's on the symbol you intend to trade and that the time frame matches your strategy, whether that's a fast intraday view or a slower, higher time frame look. Now enter and select your needed details to trade. Choose the correct account. If you have more than one available, then set the quantity or number of contracts. Pick an order type that matches your plan. Market orders execute immediately at available prices. Limit orders let you specify the exact price you want. Stop and stop limit orders help you enter on momentum or protect a position. If the platform shows a time and force option, select day for orders that expire today or good till canceled to keep them working. Many traders also attach a protective stop loss and a profit target as a bracket. Setting these now helps automate risk and exit management. When everything looks right, select buy if you want to go long or sell if you want to go short. Sierra Chart will send the order and display its status. On the chart, you should see working orders and filled positions reflected visually. If you need to adjust a working limit or stop, you can usually drag the line to refine your price. Keep an eye on the trade window for confirmations, fills, and position updates so you always know where you stand. That's it. You've opened Sierra Chart, accessed the trade menu, launched a chart window, set your order details, and placed a buy or sell. Trade well. Review your fills, and manage risk thoughtfully as you go.